Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture on Fiverr. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Fiverr and open first website, that is fiverr.com. Then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you need to click on profile, and here you can see the option of camera. Click on that and you can select any picture from your PC and you can change that. So for an example, I'm going to change this. So it takes few seconds to update. So here you can see that my profile picture is now updated. Let me refresh that. So here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can change your profile picture on Fiverr. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.